Hello. Today we will be unboxing and setting up your Clover Flex. First, be aware of the serial numbers located on the side of the box. This will be important if you are working with multiple devices. Next, let's open the box from the front. You will notice a cardboard insert with a booklet inside. This is your starter guide. It includes diagrams that will show you how to set up your Clover Flex. We will be going over those steps today. Under the cardboard insert, you will see two boxes. The box on the right is your accessory kit. The box on the left contains your Clover Flex. Let's begin by opening the starter kit. As you open it, you will notice a white cardboard insert. You can discard this. Underneath the insert, you will find the Flex charging cradle, which allows you to charge the Clover Flex wirelessly. Under the cradle, in the same box, you will find your wall outlet connector that powers the cradle. And lastly, you will see a roll of starter receipt paper. Now let's move on to the Flex. Pull the Flex out of the box. You will notice that the device comes with a silicone sleeve. This sleeve helps keep the device clean while handling. It is recommended to clean and sanitize the sleeve when needed. Now we will connect the cradle to the power pack. Flip the cradle over to find the connector plug underneath. After connecting the cable to the cradle, use the groove near the top of the cradle to seat the wire in place. This allows the cradle to sit flat on the counter. Now plug the cradle into a wall outlet. Next, place the Flex on the cradle. After you set it down, you will notice the cradle begins flashing green on the sides. This indicates that the Flex is now charging. If you do not have the cradle, or if your cradle is damaged, you can also charge the Flex using a standard USB-C phone charger and a wall outlet. Now let's load the receipt paper into the Flex. First, flip up the silicone sleeve near the top of the Flex on the underside. This will reveal the printer door. Flip open the printer door. Load the paper roll into the Flex with the paper feeding over the top of the roll. Now close the printer door and tear off any excess paper. Now, we can remove the film from the Flex screen and power on the Flex. Locate the power button on the right side of the device. Hold it down for 3 seconds. Your Clover Flex is now powered on and ready to move on to the next step of the installation process.